Hello dear friends, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I will show you how to send money using TapTap Send. So let's get started. First open TapTap Send app, then choose the country where you want to send your money. You can see lots of country available. So I want to send money to Bangladesh. Okay, then type how much you want to send. I want to send 2000. Then click on next, then choose your beneficiary from here. Okay, now scroll down and select your payment method. After selecting your payment method, then click on pay with card. Now you can see my transfer has been processing. So guys, if you think this video was helpful, please make sure you subscribe to my channel.